Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix mouse pointer moving so slow. So guys, as we can see, mouse pointer speed is so slow. So to fix this issue, just follow some easy steps. Click on start, then click on settings. Now in here click on Bluetooth and devices. Now scroll down and click on mouse. Guys, here you will see option mouse pointer speed. So you can make it fast in case it's on number 3, 4 or 2. So you can make it fast from 15 up to 20. So guys, you can make it fast from 15 to 20. 20 is fast, and if you not comfort with 20, so make it 15. Now close it. So like this guys, you can fix mouse pointer speed so slow in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.